Okay, we have a Fadal 4-axis CNC vertical machining center model VMC 2216, serial number 012001022114. Machine was new in 2001. That was a mouthful. We're going to run it for you.
It's running at 500 in the low range.
Running at 500. The machine does go up to 10,000 RPMs, 10,000 RPM spindle. It does, again, have a 40 taper. We're simulating a tool change. No, we're in the high gear. Yep, the high. 3,000 RPM. It has a 21 ATC. 5,000 RPM. 6,500. You can see the box ways on the vertical. It also does have box ways on X and Y and Z. Now we're simulating a tool change. And again. That's your Z. Your Y. 22 inches of X, 16 of Y, and 20 of Z. All the axes are nice and quiet. The spindle was quiet. Again, you've seen a tool change. We have to use the B axis. There you go. And your B. Excuse me. Thank you for watching our video.